What's up guys, this is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about how to use sunscreen correctly. Now I know a lot of you are thinking what kind of a video topic is this? Of course you all know how to use a sunscreen correctly. Guys, no, let me tell you, statistically most Indians, we only use 1/3 of the amount of sunscreen that we should be using, and I'm not going to try and claim to be an expert on this topic because honestly even I have made a lot of these mistakes that I'll be talking about today. So recently I was sitting with my dermatologist friend and she sat me down and she's like, Prachi, you are a YouTuber, you're making beauty content on your channel, you should know how to apply sunscreen correctly. And then she taught me, scientifically how to apply sunscreen correctly, what to use, how to use, and things like that. So guys, starting with the first question which I get a lot on my channel and which even I used to have, how to use sunscreen with your makeup. Now guys, honestly for this answer a lot depends on what kind of sunscreen you're using. Are you using spray sunscreen? Are you using a cream sunscreen? So if you want to wear makeup, I would recommend just investing in one of these. So this is from the brand the Derma Co. It's a 1% hyaluronic sunscreen serum for broad spectrum protection. It has SPF 50 with PA+++. It contains hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, fragrance-free dermatologically tested formula. Because it's in a serum format, you just have to replace this, use this in place of your regular serum, and it does a very good job because it gives you UV and UVB protection both. Here's how you use it, okay? Instead of your regular serum, just take this. As you can see, the formula, the consistency is very lightweight. It has a water weight consistency. It works just like any other regular serum. And once you're done applying it, just, seal it with a moisturizer, and then over this you can do your makeup and everything. It's very, very handy, very, very simple, and the best thing is that you're not layering up too many things. So especially for people who sweat a lot, or if you just feel like, oh, this is too much on my skin, with all the makeup and everything, this can be a brilliant discovery, and especially because it does such a good job. Now to answer the question how to use sunscreen with the makeup, ideally use sunscreen before you start applying your makeup, okay? For the next question, how much sunscreen to apply? Now get this guys, I was making this mistake for all of my life, so here I am telling you the truth, okay? Here's what you do. You just take your sunscreen on your fingertips. So on your index finger and on your middle finger, you just apply your sunscreen, swipe it across your cheek, do the same thing on your other cheek, and then just massage it all over your face and all over your neck. This is the correct quantity. This may seem like a lot, but with the right sunscreen your skin will be able to absorb it all. So a lot of us, you don't use enough sunscreen simply because of the white cast issues and things like that. This one is actually a skin tinted sunscreen. I'm not sure if you saw it when I was demonstrating it. It's a tinted sunscreen. It doesn't give you a white cast. It is also from the same brand, the Derma Co. Why do I like this brand so much, guys? It's a brand designed by dermatologists, right? So it's a very safe, effective, very good brand, and very innovative products too, right? So this is the Derma Co. 1% hyaluronic tinted sunscreen gel for broad spectrum protection. It contains zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, and hyaluronic acid. It has SPF 60 with PA4+ science, dermatologically tested and fragrance free formula. Again, very safe. It gives you both UVA and UVB broad spectrum protection, and it does a brilliant job, guys. It sits beautifully on the skin with no white cast. It feels very, very light, and it's a physical sunscreen. It's very safe, very gentle, so even people with sensitive skin, very difficult skin, can easily use this, okay? Of course, do a patch test. Now okay, before proceeding guys, if you do want to check out these products, I will put the links in the description box below. Both of these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, but if you buy directly from the Derma Co website, you can use this coupon code which is SWS2022 for flat 20% off. I will share all the details in the description box below. They have also taken up the Young Scientists initiative where they have partnered with Bhumi to help educate children. So every time you place an order with them, they will link your order to a child that they're helping educate through Bhumi, and they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students this year. So I think that is amazing and such a great initiative, right? So all the details in the description box below. Moving on with our video, for the next question, how long before you step out of the house that you should apply your sunscreen? Again guys, this depends, okay? If you're using a physical sunscreen, the answer is different. If you're using a chemical sunscreen, the answer is different. Most of us, you don't know whether what we are using is a physical or a chemical sunscreen. So as a rule of thumb, 15 to 30 minutes before you step out is good enough. And how many times should you reapply the sunscreen? Very good question, guys. A good idea is to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. Just take a little bit on your fingertips and pat it like this, okay? How do you reapply, especially if you're wearing makeup? Just take your sunscreen and pat it like this. So just take a little bit. This time you just have to take like a pea-sized amount, okay, because you're just reapplying. Just take a pea-sized amount and very gently make lots of little dots all over your face, and then in light dabbing motion you can just pat it down. So this will not upset your makeup and it will just do a very good job, okay? Very important question. Do we really need to wear sunscreen at home, Prachi? It doesn't make sense to me. I get this question a lot. Okay, so here's the thing, okay? When you step out in the sun, you definitely have to wear a sunscreen. Absolutely. Okay. If you're just sitting at home, if you don't even spend that much time in the window or the balcony, just use a lightweight sunscreen. So again, I think sunscreen serum does a good job. I'll tell you why, okay? Because even indoors these days, you know, we have screens, we have these artificial lights, even they are emitting rays, okay? So sometimes these are UV rays and that will damage your skin. So a lot of people think it's a ridiculous concept to want to wear sunscreen at home, but that is the logic behind it. Your devices, your artificial lights, anything could be emitting these UV rays. So if you want 100% protection, you want to wear sunscreen at home. Guys, these are some tips and tricks that I recently learned about how to wear sunscreen correctly. I've learned them recently, but they're good tips, right? Now you understand why I made this video. If you still have any questions and if you have any hacks of your own, let me know in the comment section below what your hacks are, what your tips and tricks are. I would love to hear from you guys. And also I would absolutely love it if you hit like to this video. So don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Okay, do that, absolutely do that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.